when I was about 36 years old, I decided it was time to do something for me. So I decided I've always wanted to play the piano. And so I started taking lessons from my neighbor. And it was going great. For about 2 months, I started going and I was learning. It was great. And then she said, by the way, we need to start picking your song for the recital. I went, whoa, I'm an adult. I don't need to have a recital. I don't need to be in a recital with a bunch of little kids. No, I don't need to do that. And then she told me that her sister-in-law plays beautifully, but she can't play in front of people because she never played in a recital and she never plays in front of people. And so she can't share her talent. And so finally I relented and I said, okay, I will get a song and I will play in the recital. So I got a song and I practiced and practiced. My kids got sick of hearing me. And I went to the recital, got everybody dressed up. I made all my kids come. They all have been in recitals. We all have gone. And I talked to my bishop and his wife who was there for their daughter and to see their daughter in the same recital. And they joked and said, oh, we didn't know you could play the piano. You've got a new calling coming up, I'm sure. Wink, wink. And it was great. And I laughed. I wasn't really nervous. And then I had my name called. And I went up and put my music down. And I sat down and started to play. And it was the wrong notes. And so I said, okay, it's just starting. I just put my hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Put my hands back on there. Started playing again. It was all the wrong keys again. I looked down. I knew my hands were in the wrong position, but everything was blurry. I couldn't see my hands. I couldn't see the piano keys. I couldn't see my music. Everything was a big blur. I just started to play again because there was nothing else I could do. I just played, and if I happened to get a right note, it was pure luck. It was nothing else because I could see nothing. I just was moving and doing the best I could. I got up, sat down. I knew my new calling was gone. There was no hope of that. My children were embarrassed. I was embarrassed. That could have been the end of my piano career, but I decided I would fix it. When the next recital came, I called people on the phone, made them listen to me play the piano. I invited my friends over just to listen to me one-on-one and played the piano for them. And the next recital was different because I only made a couple small mistakes, and those mistakes are the ones that I really only noticed, or my teacher only noticed. Nobody else even knew. My husband was like, I didn't hear anything. And what that taught me was that I need to go through the same steps as the children do. I need to take off my pride and be able to learn. And that's helped me to be able to do my schooling now, because most of my tutors are half my age or younger. They're in their 20s. I'm in my 40s. It's different. And you know what? They help me. They've become my great friends. It's been a great blessing for me. And in my life, I've found that if I take the time to do the things that scare me, I never regret it. Not once. But the only thing I really do regret in my life are the things I didn't do because I was scared. And I hope that this will help you do things that you always wanted to do that you never thought you could. Anyway, thank you.